In this video, I'll show you how to install Menyoo Trainer in GTA 5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So Menyoo is one of the best trainers for GTA 5, either for GTA 5 Legacy or Enhanced. It gives you complete control over the game, allowing you to spawn vehicles, weapons, teleport anywhere on the map, change the weather and time of day, and even create your own maps using the built-in object spooner. Before we begin, keep in mind that Menyoo is designed for GTA 5 story mode only, and it should never be used in GTA Online. Mods and trainers are intended for single player gameplay, so if you plan on playing online later, make sure you remove your mods or use a separate clean installation of GTA 5. Alright, so to start, let's download Menyoo Trainer. You can go to gta5mods.com and type in Menyoo 2.0, or just click the link in the description and it will bring you here. The one that we're going to download is Menyoo 2.0, the latest update, and it will work for GTA 5 Enhanced and Legacy. But the installation is going to be the same, so now just click download right over here. Hit download again, save it somewhere on your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder. So now just hit save and the download will start. Now we need to go back and scroll down to the description. So here there is some requirements that you need to download, especially if you want to install for GTA 5 Enhanced. The first one is Scribble V. You can click the link here or the link in the description of this video and it will bring you to this website. Now just hit download and save it on your PC as well. Now let's go back, and depending on your GTA 5 version, you also need to download the ASI loader. If you're playing on GTA 5 Legacy, you're going to download OpenIV, and if you're playing on GTA 5 Enhanced, you're going to download OpenRPF. The ASI loader is actually optional, but if you want to use the built-in object spooner, you need to install it. Next, you need to download Direct Storage Fix. So let's open it up and simply download it and save it on your PC. That's all we need. Alright, once you finish downloading, you'll have Menyoo, Direct Storage Fix, and Scribble V all in a zip file. And to start installing, you'll need to locate your GTA 5 main directory. If you don't know where, you can locate it through your launcher. So on Epic Games, you can go to Library and then look for your GTA 5 or GTA 5 Enhanced. Click the three dots and hit manage. Now you can click the folder icon and it'll open the install location. On Steam, you can do the same. Go to library and then look for your GTA 5 Legacy or Enhanced. Right click on it, manage, and hit browse local files. Now that you have your GTA 5 main directory, we're gonna start installing. Once again, it's gonna be the same for GTA 5 Enhanced and Legacy. It's just that if you want to install the optional OpenASI, you need OpenRPF for GTA 5 Enhanced and OpenIV ASI for GTA 5 Legacy. So let's get to work. All of these is a zip file, and to open it, you can use WinRAR or 7-zip, but if you're on Windows 11, you can just right click on the zip file and then hit extract all just like that and hit extract. Now you'll have it in a folder. So let's open it up. Let's start with Scribble V. You want to go to the bin folder, and here what you need is Xinput, Scribble V, and the input 8. You can also include the rgs.txt if you want. This is to disable the anti-cheat, the battle eye. I'm not going to include it because you can disable it on Rockstar Games Launcher. We're going to do that instead. Select 3 of these and drag and drop it into your GTA 5 main directory just like that, and Scribble V is installed. Now let's go back and remove Scribble V, and now we're going to install Direct Storage Fix. Just like before, right click, hit extract, and extract it so you have it in a folder. And what you need to do, as before, just drag and drop this ASI file into your GTA 5 main directory. Let's go back and install Menyoo this time. Let's extract it first. Right click, hit extract again, and let's open up the folder. So here you'll have Menyoo stuff folder, Menyoo ASI, and Menyoo log.txt. What you need is Menyoo log, Menyoo ASI, and Menyoo stuff folder. Just select these and drag and drop it into your GTA 5 main directory, and everything is installed. But before you launch your GTA 5, as I said before, you need to disable the anti-cheat. To do that, on Rockstar Games Launcher, you want to go to settings, and then what you need to do is uncheck battle eye, and the anti-cheat will be disabled, and you cannot go to GTA Online and risk getting banned. Now to do that, you can launch your GTA 5 like normal. Alright, we're inside the game now, and let's see if the menu works. You can press F8 on your keyboard to open up the menu, and here you can see all of the features that you can do with Menyoo. So the first one is player options. You can do a bunch of things. You can even make yourself invincible. There's also weather options. You can change the weather. So for example, let's change it to rain. We're here, and there we go. You can change the time as well, like that, and see what else we can do. Let's go to the misc option. You can go to free cam. We are on free cam now. Let's spawn a car, and there we go. We can also spawn a car. So that'd be it. If you cannot open the menu, make sure you do everything correctly. Don't forget to install Scribble V as well, and that'd be it. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.